All right, everyone. We need to take I'm looking for a motion to come out of executive session, please.
So moved.
So moved. Is there a second? Moved and second that we come out of executive session. It is a voice vote. Member Reel? No. Member Booth? Member Bogus? Member Klein? Okay. Member Davis? Will you text
Yes.
her? Member Earl? Yes. Vice Chair Earl? Member Green is absent. Hold on. I am a yes. Member Carey?
Yes.
Member Wood? Yes. Member Hymas?
Yes.
Member Lear? Yes. Member Norton?
Yes.
Member Straight?
Yes.
Chair Moss?
Yes.
All right. That passes. 12-3 with Member Klein, Green, and Reel absent. Just a second check for Member Klein. Okay. All right. You go for it, please.
Okay. Looking for a motion.
I move that the board pull case numbers 24-2060 and EH62 from the UPAC consent calendar.
Oh,
I don't think it has to be a motion, guys.
Just pull those and then move to the consent calendar. It's just like you do with the regular.
Okay. I do a consent, I do a move when I do the consent calendar, so that's why I didn't know. Okay. I move that the board accept UPAC's consent calendar recommendations.
Second.
okay. The motion before the board is the board accept UPAC consent calendar recommendations.
I think we have to pull those two and then move. Somebody needs to make that motion first.
That's what she made originally, right? The motion to pull those. Would you like to go back to that motion?
But I don't think it needs to be a motion to pull. I think she can just pull them and then move to approve the remainder of the consent calendar.
Okay. Did you catch that?
I just was following
Yeah.
recommendation. I move that the board accept the remainder of the UPAC consent calendar.
Second.
Okay, the motion before the board is what? That the board approves UPAC's remaining consent calendar recommendations. Minus case numbers. I don't know what,
24-2060
24-2060
and EH62.
and EH62. Board Member Booth?
Yeah.
Board Member Bogus? Oh, yeah. Is that good? Yeah. Sorry, yeah. Okay, is Board Member Rill online? Board Member Klein? Board Member, who else? Green? Okay, the motion passes 12 in favor, and there are 3 board members not here. Do I need to do that every time? No, I just say it's unanimous. The vote is
Okay.
unanimous.
In case number 23-1989, I move that the board accept UPAC's recommendation.
Okay, the motion before the board is that the board approves UPAC's recommendation for case number 231989. Please vote. Okay, there's one we're missing.
Oh,
The board, it passes unanimously with 12 votes, missing 3 board members?
In
Okay.
in case number 23-2000, I move that the board accept UPAC's recommendation.
The motion before the board is the board approves UPAC recommendations for case number 232000. Go ahead and vote. Okay, that passes unanimously.
In case number 23-2033, I move that the board accept UPAC's recommendations.
The motion before the board is that the board approves UPAC recommendation for case number 232033. Go ahead and vote. That motion passes unanimously.
In case number 23-2043, I move that the board accepts UPAC's recommendation.
The motion before the board is that the board approves UPAC recommendation for case number 232043. Go ahead and vote. Okay, oh, sorry, it passes unanimously.
In case number 23-2054, I move that the board accept UPAC's recommendation.
The motion before the board is that the board approves UPAC recommendation for case number 232052. Go ahead and vote.
5-4.
I'm sorry. The motion before the board is the board approves UPAC recommendation case number 232054. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead and vote. We're missing a few votes. Do you want me to check? Is this one that we may not?
We dropped one off.
Was this the one or not?
It was 5-2 that we pulled.
Oh, I see. Okay.
We're not taking action.
Okay, that's why I read it off, because
Yeah,
I had
yeah,
checked
yeah,
and then,
you're-
okay. Yep. Okay, that passes unanimously.
In case number 24-2059, I move that the board accept UPAC's recommendation.
The motion before the board is that the board approves UPAC recommendation for case number 242059. Go ahead and vote. That motion passes unanimously.
In case number 24-2078, I move that the board accept UPAC's recommendation.
The motion before the board is that the board approves UPAC recommendation for case number 242078. Go ahead and vote. That passes unanimously.
In case number 24-2096, I move that the board accept UPAC's recommendation.
The motion before the board is that the board approves UPAC recommendation for case number 242096. Go ahead and vote. Oh my goodness. We're missing one. Board Member Bogus, I'm kidding. Who's are we missing? Okay, it passes unanimously. So, and I think that's
That's
it
it.
on the motions, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, I will accept a final motion. The motion
I
before
second.
the board is that the board adjourn for the evening. All those in favor? Just maybe for public knowledge, we'll carry over items that did not finish today to tomorrow. So, which is a little bit limited, but we chunked away, so. Two things. A little bit of time on our mission and vision, and then also Sutherland Institute just is reporting out some of the research they've done over the last little bit. So-
Just as a reminder for board members too, since it is after 6 p.m., to make sure to badge out when you leave the building. Then
You
find a
walk out.
friend.